like swimming in the pool? Can we see you float?
Set. Go!
Let's see you do it.
Look at Mama. Say
Go,
hi,
Greer.
Mama.
Go, Greer.
Swim to me. Swim to me.
Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Kick. Kick your feet. Move your hands.
She wants both. And then she sees my legs and she's like, up.
That's good.
Hey,
Up.
you're doing well.
Do you like swimming?
Is it good?
Is it good?
We're gonna see if we can take.
Jump. Ready, set, Did you love it? Yeah! Do you want to do it again?
More.
Want to do more jump?
Knox likes it too.
Go ahead, pull yourself up. Oh boy, Dada, we might have a swimmer over here.
We got a water rat.
You ready to jump? Come over here. Are you gonna do? I'm afraid she's gonna do it herself. Do you want to go
She
yourself?
might.
Oh my goodness! Here, come over here. Hi, Mommy, I'll help you. Okay. Ready, set.
You're so good. Knox is cheering. Let's look at this baby. What's this baby doing?
Is that so fun?
Is that funny?
You love seeing your sister jump in?
She likes
I
it
bet
too.
she'll jump in. You put her right there, I bet she'll jump in.